Hey there fellows internet explorers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of online privacy and unrestricted browsing. In this tutorial we are going to unveil the best free VPN for your PC with a special focus on Windows 10 and Windows 11 built-in VPN features that come packed with a wide range of server options from different countries. So whether you are craving secure browsing, access to the geo-restricted content, or just peace of mind while surfing, you are in the right place. Let's jump right in. But before we begin, let's quickly talk about the why behind VPN. A VPN or virtual private network is like your personal online bodyguard. It shields your data from prying eyes, secures your connection on public Wi-Fi, and even let you bypass geographic restrictions. It is the secret sauce to unlocking a safer and more versatile online experience. Built-in VPN on Windows 10. If you are a Windows 10 user or even a Windows 11 user, did you know that there's a built-in VPN features waiting for you? Yes, you heard that right. Windows 10 offers a native VPN solutions that are ready to roll without any extra download or subscriptions. Alright, let's put theory into practice. I'm going to guide you through enabling Windows 10 VPN features in just a few clicks. Follow along and you will be a virtual globetrotter in no time. First of all, just browse any browser. I have already opened a few websites over here. Just go on the Google and you can search for PPTP VPN, and after this, as you can see here, I'm using the India name, but you can use any country name, and then hit enter. Once you hit enter, you'll get all the websites related to the PPTP servers. Now I have already opened two websites. You can search for your countries as well. It's easy to find. After browsing this website, you will get here the status of the servers, and you can create a free account for yourself. Now before creating, make sure the server should be online, the active, not the server offline. Now I'm going here with the Canada. You can see it's server online, and also if we go with the Indian server, you can see it's available in Asia and it's right now active. Just click on the submit and it will redirect you on the account creation. Now here simply you need to use your username. After typing, just select I'm not a robot and then create PPTP account. Okay, I did something wrong. It's saying please repeat again. Username must have at least one type of number. Okay, so one type of number means like this, and again just typing the Windows Fixer 123. I'm not a robot, and then again creating. The maximum number of characters in the username must be 10 and minimum of 5. So might be I'm using more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's more than. So we are typing here the Win Fixer 1. And again using the password I'm not a robot, and then create PPTP VPN once again. Now it's saying the maximum number of characters in the password must be 10 and okay, so Windows 12, and in the password make sure the starting alphabet should be capital. So might be there's some terms and conditions. So finally we got free VPN over here. Now you can see the username, the password, the IP address, port, etc. But we need only these three things: the username, password, and IP server. Now simply going into the settings, network and internet, and then left side VPN, add a VPN connection. Now if you are a PC user, you will see here the Windows built-in. If you are a Mac user, you will see here the Mac user something, and if you are an Android user, you will see here the Android built-in. Now the connection name is not important. You can just type any name over here, and then the server name or address. Simply you need to go back on the website, and this time we need to copy this server IP servers. Now again going back on the settings, just paste it over here. Now this time we need to copy the username. And VPN type should be on automatic. Type of sign-in information, of course, username and password. Now username over here, and the password, just go on the website again, copy the password, and then go back on the settings and paste it over here. Now check this option, remember my sign-in information, and click on save. Once you have done this, now you can see here it's available over here to connect, ready to go. Now just simply click on the connect and verifying. It's now verify your information and make sure making the connection between the server and your PC, and now it's done, connected. Now let's talk about the benefit of Windows 10 built-in VPN. Windows 10 built-in VPN brings a slew of advantages to your digital life. Secure browsing, your data is encrypted, keeping your online activities private, access to the restricted content, unlock websites and content not normally available in your country, public Wi-Fi protections, stay safe on public network, shielding your sensitive information, privacy on the geo-restrictions, and there you have, it's your gateway to secure borderless internet with Windows 10 built-in VPN. Whether you are streaming, working, or simply exploring the digital universe, this features has got your back. So why waiting? Give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comment below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow netizens, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy browsing.